Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is split text to columns in Google Sheets. We have all at some point created a data set like this. Wouldn't it be nice if we could make it look a little more professional? Google has a tool called Split Text to Columns that will split the text into different columns. Open a new or existing Google Sheet. For this example, I will use an existing Google Sheet. In this example, the step number, and instructions are all listed in the same cell on each row. You can easily separate the data into two columns. Highlight the 10 steps, click the Data menu, and then click Split Text to Columns. When the separator window pops up, select how you want the columns separated. To separate using a colon and a space after the step number, click on Custom to create this separator. In the text box, type a colon followed by a space. Now you can see that the data has been split into two columns, which makes it easier to read. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.